Are you looking for the best drone? In this video we will look at some of the best drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Potensic Original ATOM-2 Drone. A powerful sense of freedom begins the moment the Potensic Original ATOM-2 drone with PTD1 remote control for adults 4K video 8K photo 10km vertical shooting AI night track lifts into the sky and reveals a view that feels calm, wide, and deeply engaging. The ordinary suddenly looks extraordinary, turning simple surroundings into moments that feel meaningful and alive. Many people search for a way to capture life in a more emotional and creative way. This aerial companion answers that desire by offering a smooth and enjoyable experience that feels natural from the very beginning. Watching the world from above brings a peaceful feeling, helping the mind relax while opening a new level of curiosity and excitement. Every memory becomes more valuable when seen from a different perspective. A quiet evening, a travel journey, or a special gathering transforms into a lasting visual story filled with emotion. Each captured scene feels personal, allowing you to revisit those beautiful moments and feel the same connection again and again. Search demand continues to grow for smart aerial photography solutions that feel simple yet powerful. This model aligns perfectly with what modern users want, making it easier to explore creativity without stress or confusion. It supports both spontaneous adventures and planned experiences, turning every outing into something unforgettable. Owning this drone feels like discovering a new way to see the world, where every flight inspires imagination, every captured view feels unique, and every moment becomes a memory you truly want to keep forever. Number 2. CADDXFPV Kit Racing Drone. A rush of excitement begins the moment the CADDXFPV Proto's FPV Kit Racing Drone Radio Transmitter A-Link FPV Goggles Ascend High-Definition RC Quadcopter Mini Drone Toys as gift lifts into the sky and transforms ordinary surroundings into a thrilling playground. Every twist and turn feels alive, creating a connection between the pilot and the world that sparks energy, curiosity, and pure enjoyment. People often search for experiences that bring adventure and challenge while remaining approachable. This drone fulfills that desire by offering smooth control and precise movements that make racing and exploration feel effortless. Guiding it through the air provides an adrenaline rush while also delivering a sense of achievement and confidence that stays long after the flight ends. Every race or flight becomes a story worth remembering. Backyard tracks, open fields, or creative obstacle courses transform into unforgettable adventures. Each captured moment or shared experience holds excitement and emotion, allowing you to relive the thrill again and again. It turns ordinary playtime into a memorable event that strengthens connections with friends, family, or fellow enthusiasts. Search interest shows growing demand for high-quality, beginner-friendly, and immersive racing drones that feel engaging and dynamic. This kit aligns perfectly with that trend, giving users the freedom to enjoy high-speed exploration with creativity and skill. Its portability and ease of use make every session spontaneous yet meaningful, opening opportunities for fun anywhere. Owning this drone feels like entering a world where every flight builds confidence, every maneuver sparks joy, and every experience becomes an unforgettable memory that inspires continued adventure and connection. Number 3. ZLL D12 Drone. A new world of excitement opens when the ZLL D12 drone with 8K high-definition camera screen, remote GPS 360-degree obstacle avoidance 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV brushless motor RC drawn load capacity 500 gram rises into the sky, transforming everyday surroundings into breathtaking scenes. The view from above feels expansive, calm, and deeply inspiring, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences that touch the heart. Many people look for a way to explore creativity while feeling confident and in control. This aerial companion answers that desire by providing a smooth and effortless flight that invites curiosity and adventure. Guiding it through the open air sparks a sense of freedom that refreshes the mind and encourages imaginative exploration. Every moment in the sky becomes more meaningful, creating a connection between the pilot and the world that feels personal and unforgettable. Memories captured from a higher perspective take on a new depth. Family trips, outdoor adventures, and quiet evenings transform into lasting stories that carry emotion and warmth. Each frame preserves the feeling of the moment, allowing you to relive those experiences and feel the same excitement whenever you look back. Growing interest in intelligent aerial photography devices shows that people value simplicity combined with innovative capabilities. This drone aligns perfectly with those expectations, offering an easy yet thrilling way to explore aerial views without stress. Its design supports both planned journeys and spontaneous flights, making every outing more special and memorable. Owning this drone feels like discovering a new way to experience life, where every flight inspires creativity, every captured scene feels unique, and every memory becomes a treasured moment that lasts forever.